Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add terms and conditions page on my Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here on an online store. Now in here, you should be able to see the option for pages. So click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, what you can do is you can click on this add page button right here. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see this edit option. So for me, I'll just name it terms and conditions right here. Now you can input in here anything that you have that is actually created by a lawyer from higher up on your company or anything else that actually suits your actual store. But for me, since this is a tutorial, I will just use content from AI. So you can click on this generate text right here. I'll just put in here terms and conditions as this is what the page is about. Make sure that the tone is set to expert. After that, click on this generate right here. And then once you have done that, this will generate the terms and condition for my store. So in here, let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process or generating process. So as you can see, it's done generating. So what we can do is we can click on this skip button right here. And as you can see, it will be added in here. So this is what it will look like, and edit it out however you want. And once you have done that, make sure that the visibility is set to visible and not hidden. And then it will be added to the default page on your theme. After that, click on the save button. Once you have done this, next thing you need to do is we can just head over in here under our navigation. Now on this navigation, you can actually head over and click on this right here. You can add this to your main menu or to your footer menu. So for example, let's add this to our main menu. And then let's click on this add menu item. Let's name it terms and conditions, and then let's search for this particular page. Now let's click on this one, click on add right here, and then after that, click on save. Once we have done that, let's view it in our store by clicking on this eye icon right here. And then once we have clicked on that, it will open the free view of our page. And as you can see, here's the terms and conditions. So head over and click on this one. And then from in here, you should be able to see the page that we have just created earlier. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.